Okay, so let this be a lesson to me and also for others that be careful, be really careful using copyright material, whether it's music or videos from other people, videos from movies especially, and music that's copyrighted and listed in the database of YouTube. So what I was doing is this video about happiness and online business. I'm trying to tie in the two, and I'm creating a blog page with a list of several blogs and websites dedicated to happiness and related matters. And I could only think of the movie The Beach. The Beach was an influential movie to me. I mean, it had a great soundtrack, good acting from Leonardo when he was just maybe 2 years away from his King of the Sea role with Titanic. So this was totally new for him. And I loved the setting. So I loved everything about the movie, even though Rotten Tomatoes gave it a low rating. So anyway, I wanted to put clips of the movie and the soundtrack into my video. I knew I was taking a risk, but I tried to check if any of these songs were, blocked, and I used two excerpts, two songs. I think one song is for blocking purposes, not to be shown, and the other one by Moby, Porcelain, is okay to be shown, but with ads. So I took my risk, and anyway, I was doing voiceovers to, it'll probably mask. I thought it'll mask the content, the copyright content, and not be detected. But lo and behold, when I uploaded the video, whammo, here it is. Look at here. It is a copyright detection. It's not a strike. It's like there's a content ID claim that got matched with a piece of my video, and it wasn't just a song of Moby. Normally it's just a song, but in this case, it's actually the video, and the claimant is Fox. It references the Beach movie. Yes, 2000 full movie reference. But I only referenced it for about, I think, 50 seconds in the beginning and another maybe 40 seconds at the end. But what's interesting is here is the actual content found. So it's 4 seconds in. That's this spot when they started running into the beach, and 37 in. That's okay. I'll show you what exactly that segment is. Let me run the video. Okay, it's here when the music comes in. That's when the detection started. This is one of the most dramatic, important sections of the movie, which I'm sure a lot of video makers on YouTube love to reference. But at the same time, the copyright owners, Fox, also wants to protect and monetize. And it is when I added my own images here, cut. That's when the claim detection ended. So I really think anyway, in this video, the algorithm of YouTube has really changed and advanced. I didn't think they would be able to catch that. Before, I would have thought as long as you voiced over much of the song, those detection patterns cannot, differentiate. I mean, cannot match that slight background music and hear it and match it with their database. But here I think the matching system was more in the video, the actual image, the imagery. It wasn't about the porcelain song, but that might have been a trigger. But I think here it was mainly the visual match, which is pretty impressive because I think I zoomed in a little bit. So I'm not capturing this scene the way that it appears on DVD or in the movies. It's slightly zoomed in. So hats to the content ID people and the matching services and the technology, YouTube, working with the lawyers. You guys are really giving them a service, and they want to be protected. In this case, it's not that bad. They don't want to give me a strike. They just want to make money on my video. So whatever funds this video ever generates in the future, if I leave it as is, will go to Fox. You know, I'm almost good with that, but you know what? I don't want to risk it down the line. What if Fox changes their mind and says, okay, all our movies, including this one, The Beach, will now be purely blocked and will trigger a strike. So I don't want to get to that point. I don't want to be sitting one day where maybe this channel, my business is working really well, and this one video got a strike and I don't know, got my channel turned off or shut down. So that's a little scary. So what I'm gonna do is retweak my video, add some more of my own elements, maybe change out the music, because I think that could have also been a trigger. So we'll see if I can get around this. This is how I resolved it. I deleted the video that had the content ID claim. I added some edits to the claimed portion, resubmitted the new video, and it was okay, no claim. But that's not to say the video will always remain claim-free forever, because what if they do new algorithm changes of detection? It can find that in the future, possibly. My advice, don't use copyright content unless you know exactly what you're doing and understand and accept the potential repercussions. And only when you really, really feel strongly about the content to put it in there, to risk it. Okay, fine, do it, and be careful. Take proper, careful steps. Never do it with 1 or 2 strikes, because if you get another strike, well, there goes your channel. Welcome to sharingyourpassion.com. I'm Chill, and my goal is to help you transform your passions into an online business. I will assist you with creating WordPress websites, online courses, email automation, membership sites, social media and how to make it work for you, sales and marketing, and more. Basically, you provide the passion and I provide the assistance, and let's work to get your dreams realized. Subscribe and click the notification bell to set your dreams in motion.